Alright, get ready to take a deep dive in coding part of it. As I said earlier, the prerequisite of this exercise is having the UiPath Studio installed on your machine. When you have it installed and open it, this is our landing page. So I'll start a new process here. Name it. So let's name it demo UiPath back office process. Description, it's optional. We can give back office solution and click on create. Once we click on create, it adds all the dependencies, creates the workspace, and here we are, wherein we have our own project opened. And now we need to start with either a flowchart or a sequence. So as you saw in my previous solution, I took a flowchart. It's better to have flowchart for the processes wherein we have some activities to be done, some decision makings to be done. I'll name this flowchart again, back office loan department flowchart, and click on create. When we have that, you'll see the start node is automatically there. Now what would we do first? We'll go into the activities and search for open browser, because first step was to have the open browser. And now when we have this open browser activity added to our flowchart, it's time to enter the inputs and outputs of this activity. So what is the input? Input is the URL you want to open, and output would be the browser variable. So I'll create a new variable, and this would be our output variable. We'll use this browser variable everywhere whenever we need to attach this browser. Coming back to the flowchart, I'll connect it to the previous node, which is the start node in this case, so that it will run after that. Save it. If you want to quickly check if this much code is running, just try running it. See, it launched the IE browser and entered the URL, and we have the browser and URL open. It opened in IE and not in Chrome because the browser type we have not defined, and default it is always IE. We can control the type of browser from here. I will keep it IE for this demo. Alright, first step completed. We have the open browser and URL entered. Next step is to read Excel. We'll do it in next video. Thank you.